Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Simply Earth. If you're not familiar with this company, it's a monthly subscription. You get essential oils and you also get recipes and things to make with them. So it's really cool. So this month's box is all about animals. So you get some stickers. So once you make the items, you can label them so you remember what they are. And here are our recipe cards. We have Paw Balm. Some pet care tips back here about introducing essential oils to your pets, so that's really important. We have an anti-anxiety diffuser. And then sometimes on the back, the recipe continues, or sometimes there's just more information about the company. So that talks about the referral program. We have a tick and mosquito collar. Talks about their Facebook group. We have an itchy skin roll-on. Next month's box is all about summer, it says, and then it tells you what kind of, ooh, I pronounce it anise, but I think it's really anise. Just recently learned that, but I've always called it anise, and so does everyone else in my family. But I love that, so I'm excited to have that. But yeah, that's next month. Also have a pet odor eliminator spray. I like that they added little cute little pets to it. So here's our essential oils that we got. I'll show them here in a minute, but it just gives some more information about them and tells their purpose, so that's really useful. We have a fur and skin conditioner. And then this month's box, they are donating to this company. So every month, 13% goes to a charity. So it's really cool. I love when companies do that. So here are the essential oils. We have juniper berry. We have peace and quiet. So that's a blend. And let's see what's in that. Sweet orange, frankincense, cedarwood, and lime essential oils. Also have citronella, which is really handy since we're going into summer. And then we have ginger. And I do get a big box every 6 months, so that has a lot of containers and things that I would use, but they've also sent some additional things with this box for some of the recipes. So we have some containers, a spray bottle, and I'm going to go ahead and open this. And this is super cute. It's just a little bandana for the tick and mosquito collar recipe. You can use this or you can use their normal collar. So I like that. It has little essential oils on it. Super cute. So that's what came this month. If you want to give this company a try, I do have a promo code below. You get a gift card when you sign up, and I'll leave all the details below. And if you want to see past month's boxes, I have a playlist that I will link below as well. So as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.